Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode today. In this following video, I'll be showing you ways on how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card. So then to begin with the procedure, first thing first, make sure that you already have a Fortnite account and then open up your web browser. On the web address bar, type in www.fortnite.com. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where the interface is going to look something like this. Now, in order to redeem your gift card, all you have to do is tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and as soon as you do that, it's gonna show you a pop-up menu. So click on redeem. So once you tap the redeem button, it's gonna take you to the redemption page where all you have to do is just type in your redemption code where it has been asked, that is here. And once you're done entering the code, click the redeem button. As soon as you do that, it's going to be added to your balance or the Fortnite balance, and then you can use it for later purpose. So that's basically how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.